Our aim at WA Fresh Delivered is to marry you, the consumer, with the best food from outstanding local primary producers, giving you access to some of the finest produce available in WA. Based within the grounds of Perth's local wholesale fruit and veg market in Canning Vale, we have access to the best produce as it hits the market floor, delivering to you the same day. That, along with our product partners, we can offer you the finest range of fruit, vegetables, meats, bakery and dairy, along with an ever-growing range of grocery lines. All our meat is sliced, salads prepared and orders packed on the morning of delivery. We are all about fresh. Orders are packed using the latest technology, with procedures in place to almost eliminate errors. Once your order is packed in our state-of-the-art climate-controlled facility, it's dispatched in one of our fully refrigerated delivery vehicles. Our entire fleet is GPS tracked. When our driver is within 30 minutes of arrival, an automated text will give you details allowing you to follow the delivery to your door. Not home when we deliver? We keep the cold chain complete until you get home by packing in our reusable insulated delivery bags using frozen water bottles to keep your food cold. By the way, the water bottles are on us. Ordering is a breeze using our modern dynamic website on desktop, tablet or mobile devices. We guarantee all of our products and our service doesn't stop after delivery. We're here to help.